to France. I'm really sad because I'm really sad. I'm really sad because I miss my family and my friends, but I'm really excited to see my Dolce and of course Frenchie. But I just saw Frenchie a week ago, so I'm way excited to see Dolce. She hasn't seen me in 3 weeks. I don't even know if she knows she's gonna see me. So we're gonna videotape it for you to watch. So hold on, I'll show you the parking lot. She's over there. You don't know. I'll show you a little bit of the surroundings. Okay. Where's my Dolce? Where's my Dolce? Bring her over. Okay, this might be a little bit longer of a video than it needs to be. But where's Dolce? Where's my Dolce? Okay, slightly longer than I know you really want to watch, but I don't want to record it again. It's kind of in the moment. Ready? No, you're supposed to bring her. Okay, this is a fail movie. Hold on. And I lost my voice. Okay, I gotta put my pillow down. So she's probably gonna knock me over. Who's my baby? Oh, who is my little love muffin? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, I know you're so mad at me. Hey, hi. Oh, who is my little booby? Hey. Oh, look at it. Hello. I love you. I love you. I love you. You stink. You stink. I love you. Miss Dolce, are you happy to see me? Not so happy. She's a little mad at me. But there you go. I miss your mom and dad. And I just put my nose, but I miss your mom and dad. Tori, Vincent, BYW's friends. Love you guys. I'll see you in 6 months.
See you in 6 months, hopefully.
Alright, we love you guys. Miss Dolce, get over here. Hey. She's mad. Dolce, hey. Stinker. Oh, you're mad at me. Get your little booty over here. Come here. Oh. Are you mad? I know you're mad. But I'm back. You smell home? Okay, now we go. Bye.